saucepan kitchen. Today I am going to make Kadai chicken. For that I have taken 2 medium size onion chopped finely, 2 medium size tomatoes chopped finely. These are some cashew nuts. This is ginger, garlic and 2 chillies I've taken. I've taken a piece of 1-inch piece of ginger, 10 to 12 flakes of garlic and crushed it. And now we'll have to marinate the chicken. For that I have taken half kg chicken. We'll put half a spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of chilli powder, half a spoon of pepper powder, half a spoon of cumin seeds powder. I'm taking a spoon of kashmiri chilli, and some 1 spoon of this is chicken masala, and a tablespoon of curd, and of course little salt. Mix it very nicely. Now this chicken we'll keep aside for 30 minutes. Taken a kadai, put 2-3 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil get heated up. I'm putting here a spoon of butter. You may put ghee also. This will give a good flavor to the curry. Putting here the crushed ginger, garlic and chilli. Now let us put the marinated chicken. Saute it nicely. Now let us put the onion and the tomatoes. Now I'm keeping the flame to low and closing, and let it cook for half an hour. It is almost half an hour. Let us open and see. Yeah, this is done. Chicken is cooked. Oil has come out. Putting some curry leaves. This is cashew paste. Chicken is cooked very nicely. Finally, let us add some coriander and of the flakes. Now this is the Kadai chicken that I've made. Let us garnish again with coriander, and on top I am putting some butter. Friends, if you have liked my video, kindly like, share and comment. Subscribe to my video. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.